welcome to my YouTube channel again. It's me, Rose G again, and this is my husband, Steven. So for today's video, it's all about to the foreigners who live in the Philippines and do want to go to immigration for their annual report. So we will give you some tips for that so that it's easy and smoothly transaction you going there. Right?
Yep.
So what we did earlier is like we just go to the www.bureauofimmigration.gov.ph, and then if you don't have a account there, just register there. And if you have already account, then you need just to log in. All you need to do is I think it's email and password. Then after you do that, then just prepare your passport and your ACR card number, because that's what you need to fill up there. Just follow the instruction and that website. And after that, you need to photocopy your passport. What else? Photocopy your
ACR card.
And also the one in that website, something like verification or something. You need to photocopy that.
The email.
Yeah, the email verification. You need to photocopy that too.
Yeah, when you register, they'll send you an email to where you can walk in.
Yeah.
And so you need to photocopy that email.
Yeah, and it's very smoothly transaction, right? And then after that, you just go to immigration and then pay 200 pesos. How much did you pay?
It says 310 pesos.
Yeah, 310 pesos. That's for the annual report. You just do the annual.
Yeah, it's a lot cheaper than getting extension on your visas.
Yeah.
This is a spousal visa.
Yeah.
It's $310 a year and report one time a year.
Yeah.
So that's pretty easy.
So it's only 310 peso a year you need to pay there if you go there to the annual thing report. It's very cheap than to get the extension every 3 months or
Yeah, it's
something.
like $6.
Yeah. So we hope that it helps. This information, it helps to you guys. So watch out for more videos.
Yeah, watch out.